Hello viewers and welcome to a new episode on the Enduro Alexis channel. Today we're going to have a look at the rain trousers from Rainlegs. Now we've all been there. You're riding around and suddenly it starts to rain and you're not sure for how long it's going to last, and you think, okay, let me put on the rain trousers, and should I take the shoes on or off? Go through the whole hassle, leave them on, go through the trouser and tear them. Yeah, it's all a bit of a shame. Take the shoes off and then your socks get wet. It's all a tense to get into big mess. But now luckily there are these Rainlegs which offer excellent protection from most of the rain. These over-trousers from Rainlegs are quick and easy to fit on after a bit of practice. They are held in place with straps and plastic buckles around the hip and legs, as well as with velcro straps around the knee area. Walking around in them is possible and unrestricted, and they stay in place if the straps are adjusted correctly. But most important is how they work on a motorcycle. I first noticed them on cyclists in the city, but thought I should give them a try on a motorcycle. They stay in place at slower speeds while off-roading or riding around town, and are excellent for those short showers on the way to work or a shorter trip. However, on the motorways, the wind will lift the knee covers, which will make full rain trousers the better option for speeds above 80 km per hour or 50 miles per hour. Moving about a lot may also cause clothing to slip out of place, but this did not happen when I was riding or even when off-roading. And when the showers and light to medium rain started, I was definitely glad to have these Rainlegs over trousers, as they kept most of the rain away. All in all, an excellent piece of protective clothing which can be stored away easily and does not require much space in panniers or top boxes. A link to more information is provided below this video. And the surface is made of reflective material to increase being seen in traffic and reduce light situations or bad weather. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned to the Enduro Alexis channel for more videos on motorcycles, accessories and travel locations. See you then.